Top 6 Home Gadget. Product 1.
Are you tired of uneven vegetable slices? The Gramercy Adjustable Mandoline Slicer is here. It features an adjustable blade for perfect slices. Easily switch between slicing, dicing, and julienne. Made of durable stainless steel, it's dishwasher safe. This tool handles potatoes, tomatoes, and more. Included cut-resistant gloves keep your hands safe. It's a versatile addition to any kitchen setup. Prep meals faster and more efficiently with ease. Grab yours now and elevate your cooking game.
Product 2.
Tired of stale coffee ruining your mornings? The Vaken coffee canister keeps your beans fresh. It features a one-way CO2 valve for optimal freshness. The silicone seal keeps air and oxidation out. A handy date tracker helps you monitor freshness. The clear window lets you see your coffee supply. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, it's built to last. Its perfect size accommodates all your coffee needs. Don't miss out on this stylish kitchen essential. Order your Vaken coffee canister today and enjoy.
Product 3.
Are you ready to transform your cleaning routine? The Bissell Steam Shot OmniReach is a game changer. It features 1,000 watts of steam power for deep cleaning. With an on-demand steam trigger, control is at your fingertips. 10 versatile cleaning tools make every task easier. It heats up in just 3 minutes for quick use. The 16F power cord means less hassle while cleaning. Enjoy a large 360 ml water tank for extended use. Every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation. Don't wait. Grab yours now and start cleaning today.
Product 4.
Are you tired of burning your hands while cooking? The KitchenAid ribbed soft silicone mitts are here. They resist heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit for safe handling. Waterproof design protects against hot spills. The ribbed texture ensures a secure grip every time. Each mitt measures 7x13 for a comfortable fit. Cotton cuffs add extra heat protection and comfort. Polyester lining keeps your hands insulated and safe. Cleaning is a breeze. Just rinse and wipe them off. Don't wait. Grab your set of these amazing mitts now.
Product 5.
Tired of scrubbing endlessly? Meet the 2U Electric Spin Scrubber. This scrubber cuts cleaning time in half. It features a powerful motor that spins at 450 RPM. With IPX7 waterproof design, clean anywhere worry-free. 4 replaceable brush heads tackle all surfaces. The adjustable handle extends from 26 to 45 inches. LED display shows battery life for hassle-free cleaning. Fast charging technology makes recharging a breeze. Say goodbye to back pain and hello to easy cleaning. Order now and revolutionize your cleaning routine.
Product 6.
Tired of lumpy mashed potatoes? The Priority Chef Potato Ricer makes it easy. This heavy-duty tool delivers smooth, fluffy mash. Its large 15 O's basket means quicker ricing. With 3mm holes, you get a finer texture every time. The cushioned handles provide great leverage. No more sore arms while mashing veggies. It's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Use it for carrots, yams, and even baby food. Grab yours now and elevate your cooking game.